Hey guys, what's up? So this is the car that I ended up getting. It's a 2016 twin turbo Q50. We're about to install some intakes, which I got these from my friend. This brand right here. I can see. I don't know how long we're gonna take, so hopefully we don't take that long. Oh shit, there's a fucking spider right there. You see that motherfucker? Oh. So we're gonna install these. So it has two, so we're gonna see how it goes right now. So let's see. So guys, we have to take off these clips. We're gonna start it off. So there are 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get it going. So guys, we already removed the plastic, so we're gonna move on to this, which is two bolts. One right here, one right here. We're gonna remove the clips, which is two of them, and then we start. By the way, it's a 10 mil. I'm too lazy to remove this, so I'm just gonna do it like this. This is what happens when you're lazy. I should have listened to take it off. I was fucking lazy, man. So long. There you go. We got it. So now hopefully we could end up taking off this, which we could. Then what's next? This pretty clean. Same thing with the other one. Remember, it's just two bolts. One right here, one right here. Take out this clip and pull it out. But I'm doing the lazy way, so you just lift this thing up. This one right here. Let's get it going. Alright guys, so there's two screws in the bottom. One right here and the other one right here. Right here in the bottom. I'm gonna take these off right now, real quick. So guys, the camera died, so I thought it was recording, but pretty much we took it off, the two nuts that I told you about, and then we just put the heat shield, which is right here, two nuts and two nuts. Pretty easy. You just keep the stock intake thing, the piping. There you go. And then this, you just screw this back in here, and damn, and you just put this. There you go. There you have it. Alright guys, so we just finished. Let's see how it sounds. Did you rub it? So you guys could hear more of the turbo with this. This is how they look. You can hear the turbo already with the intake. So pretty much we good. So let's see what's gonna happen with the next video. So yeah.